Alright, pre-takeoff. Put the lights, fuel pump, full rich. We won't use flaps. Alright, lights, fuel pump, rich, no flaps. Magnetos, primer. Alright. And Racine traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is departing runway 32, departure to the southwest, Racine.
Racine traffic, Skyline 63 turning left to the southwest, last call Racine.
Alright, engine instruments look good, airspeed is alive. And we're taking tap the brakes just a little, get a lot of up trim. There we go. Alright, wait till we get to about 1,200 feet.
Racine traffic, field trucks clear of all runways, Racine.
And Racine traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is turning left, departing the pattern to the southwest. Final call, Racine. See ya.
See ya.
Archer 42 Hotel, once you're on the downwind, you're looking for a Cessna. They're at a 1.5 mile left base for 27, wind just went up.
I've got the traffic insight for 42 Hotel.
Cessna 42, Charlie left turn on, Charlie Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground.
Charlie Alpha ramp, monitor ground, Cessna 42 Charlie, thanks for help.
Cessna 42 Hotel, number 2, runway 27, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 27, 42 Hotel.
66 Delta, extend downwind, number 3, following Archer traffic, opposite downwind, approaching the numbers.
Extend downwind, 66 Delta.
Gonna be a little bit of a weird approach here, but it'll work. Ah, where did they go? There they are. Alright. Lights, lights on, mixture rich, magneto's good, flaps 1. Actually really need to slow down here. Go flaps 2. Oh yeah, I'm way too high. Yeah, we can always side slip, so winds are 290, so actually I don't even think I need to side slip.
Cessna 66 Delta, number 3, following Cessna traffic 1 mile final, 1,200 feet indicated.
66 Delta, number 3 following traffic.
Five Sierra Papa, turn left Alpha 3.
Alpha 3, 5 Sierra Papa.
Still gotta work on getting down. A little bit more. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, now let's hold it.
66 Delta, base turn approved, runway 27, clear to land.
Base turn approved, 66 Delta, clear to land 27.
5 Sierra Papa, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha for 27, 5 Sierra Papa.
Alright, butter. Get that butter. Oh. It's actually a little flat there, I think. That was a nice touchdown.
Our 42 Hotel, turn left on Charlie, say parking.
Left Charlie and JA Air Center 42 Hotel.
42 Hotel, roger, taxi JV, Charlie Alpha, monitor ground.
Charlie Alpha, monitor ground 42 Hotel. Alright. Landing lights and collision, go to ground. Charlie Alpha to the ramp. Literally right there. How convenient. Got lights. Alright, cool. We're good. And it looks like I see Kyle. I don't know where he wants to put the plane. Clear. All right.